Welcome to Trident Modular's assembly facility, where our modular houses are tested before being disassembled and delivered to the owners. Our process begins with workers assembling separate panels, meticulously insulating each one to ensure thermal efficiency and structural integrity. Following strict safety protocols, workers proceed to assemble the modular house components. They start with the floor, carefully securing each piece to create a solid foundation. Once the floor is in place, attention shifts to assembling the walls, methodically positioning and fastening them together to form the structure of the house. Finally, workers install the roof panels, completing the assembly process and preparing the modular house for delivery to our customers. From panel assembly to final construction, Trident Modular ensures that every step of the process is executed with precision and attention to detail. Our commitment to quality craftsmanship ensures that each modular house meets the highest standards of safety and durability.